paano nga ba mag-deposit or magbayad sa ating loan sa ating Fico account gamit ang Fico app. So, mag-login muna tayo sa account natin. After logging in, makikita po natin ang main dashboard. Scroll up natin and i-click ang payment and deposits. And then, this will appear. And pag nandito na po kayo, i-click lang po natin yung pay card ng gusto nating lagyan ng laman or babayaran. So here, I click it all because isasabay ko na ang pagdi-deposit at saka pagbabayad sa loans ko. After selecting ng babayaran, i-click po natin tong proceed to payment sa taas. And after that, ito po yung lalabas. And this portion naman po, this is very important dahil yung lahat na na-add to cart mo is kailangan malagyan mo ng amount. Dahil kapag hindi mo yun nalagyan ng amount, magkakaproblema po tayo sa pag-submit ng payment. Dahil mag-e-error at mag-e-error po talaga yan. So kung hindi nyo naman gustong bayaran, huwag nyo na lang po i-pay to card. Okay? So here po, okay na yung sa share ko na 100 and then sa savings, skip ko muna yan. Uunahin ko muna tong sa loans kasi yung sobra sa pera ko ay ilalagay ko sa savings. Here naman sa pagbabayad sa loans is medyo tricky siya kasi ikaw pa ang magkukompute kung magkano yung ilalagay mo sa principal amount. It's because hindi pa nag-due yung loan ko. 26 pa yung due date and whereas kung nag-pay ka talaga sa mismong due date mo ay automatic po yan na may malalagay dyan sa principal amount and hindi mo na kailangang mag-compute. So, itong sa akin is 700 per month yung monthly amortization ko. So, I have to deduct is 18.60 pesos doon sa 700 pesos na monthly amortization ko. So, in total of 681.40 pesos. So now, I'm done with my loan payment calculation. Lalagyan ko na ngayon ng amount yung sa savings portion ko. My budget for this transaction is 2,500. So that 2,500 less the 100 of share and then 700 for loans and then the 17 pesos na convenience fee. And ang total na naiwan is 1,683. And then to proceed to payment, just scroll up and sumubra po tayo sa 2,500 na budget natin dahil nag-increase na po pala sila ng convenience fee. Dati kasi it's 17 pesos lang and now it's 19 pesos na. So, I have to adjust my savings amount muna. So, I have to deduct 2 pesos here. It's 1,681. And here sa baba, makikita natin yung summary ng babayaran which is the share, savings, and the LAD or loan. To pay this, click natin yung payment method and I'm going to choose the GCash / QR and other banks dahil GCash yung gagamitin ko. And then, after that, click lang natin yung submit payment and then click yes. And then, it will automatically generate a QR code na gagamitin mo for scanning or to upload in your GCash account. So now, since isang cellphone nga lang yung gamit ko, I have to screenshot this QR code. And now, i-open ko na yung GCash account ko dahil GCash yung gagamitin ko. And pag nandito na po tayo sa main dashboard natin, i-click natin yung QR sa baba. And after nating maklik yan, i-click na po natin yung upload QR. And then, let's upload the QR code that we have screenshot earlier. Then, let's just wait to load. Then, click pay 2,500 and then download your receipt for your reference. Then, go back to your Fico app. Just wait to load and this will display saying that payment is successful. To check your transaction, go to your dashboard and then click loans and then click the details. Then see it's already recorded and then same goes to your deposit. Click the deposit and then click the details to view the transaction you just made. After checking, you can now log out to your account. So yun po, I hope this tutorial helps you with your transaction to the Fico app. Bye!